Most of the consultations that I take these days revolve around one main thing. How can we transition into an occupation that's in demand right now so that we can target our permanent residency in Canada? In this video, I am going to break it down into a few simple steps how you can transition into an in-demand occupation. I will be covering three main things. Number one, what are the in-demand sectors that almost guarantees PR, or rather, which occupations are in demand everywhere throughout Canada across both federal and provincial programs. Number two, we will see how you can select the right occupation for yourself. And finally, how to actually transition into one of these roles. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, the occupations that are in demand in Canada right now are healthcare, education, and trades. Anything that comes under these three categories is being nominated across almost all immigration programs. Express Entry, Provincial Nominee Programs, the Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP, the Home Support Worker Pilot, and more. Apart from these, there are a few other occupations that can still get you PR, but the scope is decreasing day by day because the number of overall PR quotas and draws are going down. That's why it's always advisable to pick one of these three sectors only. Let me give you an example here. Healthcare sectors, education sectors, and trade sectors are open in almost every stream, be it Express Entry, PNPs, or the Atlantic programs. So it gives you multiple pathways according to your profile. Now moving further, how can we select the right pathway for ourselves, or which is the right occupation to target specifically for you? This is the next question that usually comes up, and honestly, that's a great question. The candidates who ask these questions early during their study permit or work permit stage generally have a much higher success rate. So if you're one of those thinking about it right now, great job. Now to answer this, the right occupation is actually any of these in-demand ones, but here's what happens. The problem begins when candidates start with one occupation, maybe try to get a job, a certificate, a referral, or do some volunteering, apply on Indeed or LinkedIn. But after a few rejections or a couple of months without results, they lose patience. Then they change their path and start from scratch again in some other occupation. This keeps happening. They keep changing their path, keep getting distracted, and that's exactly why more than 50% of candidates don't succeed in transitioning into one of these occupations. The right way is simple. Pick one thing and stick to it. Ask yourself every day, am I doing something better than yesterday? If yes, you're improving, and if you stay consistent, it doesn't matter whether it takes 1 month or 6 months, you will get there eventually. Now, the next question is, if all these occupations are good, how do we actually transition into one of these occupations? This actually depends on which occupation you are targeting. Let's talk about them one by one. If you ask which is easier, it really depends from person to person. But generally, trades occupations are not offered without referrals. You need to volunteer, find employers, visit them, meet them in person. There's no fixed way. It's mostly hit and trial. On the other hand, in healthcare and education, there are proper certifications, programs that you can study if you don't want to do it by yourself, especially because of legal aspects and requirements. There are some very good colleges out there, of course, not all of them, you need to choose wisely, that are actually helping candidates transitioning into these careers in a structured way. You can also go the independent route, apply for jobs like pharmacy assistant, childcare assistant, hearing aid assistant, or other healthcare support roles that don't require any certification. You can do it just by yourself. The key is to stay focused, keep improving your process, and keep trying. Talk to people who are already working in these roles, or find a good certification and enroll in a college with a proper program. That's how you can transition step by step. Now, there's something very important I want to mention here. Even if you do all this, you might still not get a job immediately, and that's perfectly fine. In that case, I'd strongly recommend connecting with people who are already working in these exact same roles or people who are hiring for them. Reach out to 40, 50, or even 100 people, and trust me, at least 3 to 5 of them will reply, and at least a couple of them would genuinely want to help you. But you need to be respectful, curious, and humble in your approach. If you can add any value to them, that's even better. Remember, there are so many people willing to help you, but the main thing is don't quit and don't change your path. And I'm not just saying this as theory, I'm telling you this from my own experience after hundreds of consultations every single month. Let me add one more point here. Many candidates lose great opportunities because they only look for employers who support for PR. Let's say you get a job with an employer who doesn't support PR. That's still fine. Join them. Start building your Canadian work experience that's valuable in two ways. First, it adds points to your eligibility for Express Entry. Second, it gives you a foundation to find better supportive employers later on. Even if it takes some time, that's completely fine. Experience is what gets you there. So finally, if you're looking to transition your career into an in-demand occupation, Skylarks International can help you evaluate your profile personally and get which pathway is better for you. Once we select the right pathway, our partner institution can help with certification, job placement, and your complete transition into one of these in-demand roles. If you'd like to inquire or enroll, check the link in the description to book a consultation. And if our calendar shows no available slots, don't worry, call us at the numbers below and one of our expert counselors will assist you. Until next time, thank you, take care, bye-bye.